Hey guys, Chad Jenkins here with the SeedSpark CoLAB. On our journey to understanding the four types of collaboration that we defined here and that we leverage every day to help entrepreneurs around the planet grow and access unconventional growth through leveraging the art of collaboration, we've arrived to my favorite, the growth collaboration. The reason that the growth collaboration is my favorite is it is comprised of exactly what you would think: two or more entrepreneurs and their secret sauce. As Dan Sullivan with Strategic Coach would say, it is their unique ability. So they're not having to go out of their way to create some new capability. It's literally what they were designed for. It's what they designed their organization for. It's what most of them have been working on, crafting, chiseling, trying to find that statue of David in their industry of the way they show up and deliver value. All we're doing in a joint collaboration, sorry, all we're doing in a growth collaboration is combining them together. That creates the secret sauce. One key component of a growth collaboration, when you combine two or more entrepreneurs or organizations together and create this new thing, this value creation that really doesn't exist in the marketplace today, we got to name it. Just like the first job that was given to all humans in the Bible, you got to name the plants and animals. Same thing here. Many of you are aware of my Name the Baby tool. That was out of an awareness that I had in an executive retreat. We were creating new secret sauce, but we weren't naming it. And when we tried to communicate it, even to our team, it was a series of bullet points. That was not empowering at that time. Our team was the hero target. But if you think about your own business, combined with somebody else's secret sauce, creating something new, you have to give it a name, not a series of bullet points. When you give it a name, you empower those that receive that additional value to become an ambassador for you. You also remove all the competition off the playing field. You're literally playing on a field of one. Prereq, name it. If you'd like to access the Name the Baby tool, you can go to seedspark.com and hit tools. We do give away to all entrepreneurs a set of tools, kind of a fundamentals, just add a zero, remove the film, and of course, name the baby. Let's get back to a growth collaboration. Again, my favorite. So I've created growth collaborations with a series of entrepreneurs all over the world who they bring their secret sauce, their organization, and or their own unique value contribution, which, as I say all the time, is unique ability from Strategic Coach applied. That is your unique value contribution. So whenever you combine your unique value contribution with someone else's unique value contribution, you're literally creating something that doesn't exist. That is truly a free zone collaboration, as we hear Dan Sullivan talk about. This growth collaboration that you've now created completely in the free zone, now that you're able to bring that to the market, you're adding value that has never yet been received before. At a minimum, you're also bringing unique value to the hero target where otherwise they would have to engage with two different organizations, even if they could get the same thing. That makes growth collaborations my absolute favorite. I hope that empowers you to now begin to see how you can take your unique value contribution and combine it with those that you're probably already in a relationship with, give it a name, and right after that, here's a key point: create a landing page, put it on your website. Of course, you're right. They could put it on their website. So does that mean that their marketing dollars are now your marketing dollars? Does that mean that your sales team is also working in part their sales team? Yeah, you're right. You just doubled your sales team. You also just doubled the reach of your marketing dollars. What did you have to invest to do that? A conversation, a little bit of time and intentionality around coming up with a name, and now you're on a playing field of one. Now you're probably seeing why these are my favorite. So I hope that was a little bit helpful. Obviously, joining the CoLAB, we get really underneath the covers, and we also are here, the entire community is, to help you identify, structure, and optimize, leveraging our ISO framework, those growth collaborations that always result in exponential growth. Thanks for consideration and stopping by.